Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I'll talk through my top 5 fonts for sports design. All these fonts are available on Adobe Typekit, so if you've got a Creative Cloud subscription you'll be able to get all these fonts for free. You'll be able to use them on Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, InDesign, Premiere Pro. Yeah, so let's go! So the first one is Squareface. It's a typical slab serif font. It's like quite blocky, typical sports font that you'd see on shirts and stuff. You could use this as like sort of retro style. I really like the look of it, and I think retro is really coming back now, so I think this could be used for shirts, titles, or even background text. I'm not sure about body text, but I think this one looks really retro and brings out the style. Number 4 is Bicyclette, and this is a sort of typical sort of wide font, and it's really good for sort of outline text like I used on the title of this one, and it comes in a lot of weights as well, so regular, bold, black and ultra, so you could use it on the thickest version if you like. So it is quite versatile, and I think this would be really good for titles as well, just to stand out and make things look nice and blocky. So yeah, this is a good one. My number 3 is Komu. It's a really nice tall font. It looks really cool just on its own, just standard, but it also looks really nice as an italic font when you force the italics. It can be used at anything, background text, titles, body text, although it is only uppercase, so you don't have the lowercase version, but I think it does work quite well if you want to go for that sort of style. Yeah, so this one's really nice. Number 2 is Cubano. This is a really thick sort of wide font, and it's quite unique as well. It's sort of rounded, and it just has that sort of unique look to it. It comes in italics as well, so you've got that option to use. It doesn't come in lowercase, but I think this works well for sort of titles, outline text as well, on titles. So yeah, this is a really nice font to use. Number 1 is Aria. This is my favourite font for sports design. It's a unique font, it's really nice rounded look, and it's available in multiple different variants, so single, double, triple, and based on the lines within it, so single has no lines. I think this really looks nice for titles, but also looks good basically anywhere. I think it really stands out when you use it, so this is my number 1 sports font to use. Yeah, so that's it. That's my top 5 fonts. Let me know what you think, if you agree or disagree, if you like any of the fonts that I've chosen. If you recommend any of the Adobe Typekit fonts, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching this video, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.